Ali. And now, congratulations, kindergarten completers. Congratulations, kindergarten! Are you happy? Okay. We are not done yet, so you sit down properly. Okay? Very good for those who are sitting down properly. You feet together. Feet together and face here. Alright, congratulations, kindergarten completers, for a milestone you have unlocked today. May you continue to shine bright as you move forward in your educational journey. We are proud of each and every one of you, especially your parents, Mama and Papa. Okay. Now, it's time to recognize learners who have shown exemplary character. Bonus to the following from the kindergarten completers.
Juice niya.
Pila din na.
Jamila.
Pila.
Tuwing
Kaya na lang kay sa katong 15, gamay tayo.
Okay, our PTA president to please assist for the awardees.
Ang sa'yo mo, Diyos? Aray ko.
Di ba tayo split kami?
Sir Asosina, please. Thank you. So for kindergarten A awardees, please come here on front. Jamila Sophie Quintana. She will receive the following award. Artistic Hand Award. Star Maker Award. Quick Girl of the Year and Determined Kid Award.
Baon mi kasi Andre napalitos ko ano. Ano sa balay?
Please prepare shot to
Ano lang ako.
Hindi ko pa kayo na sumulian. Parents of kindergarten E awardees, please prepare. If the name of your child is told, please get your child and proceed here in the stage. Chantal Mayar Riveral.
Para sa COVID.
She will receive
Tubig,
NIPT Award.
Oy, tubig.
Mathematician and Batang
Katundak ko ba? Katundak ko. Nadakan ba? Hapon ba nimo? Hapon.
Josiah Ezekiel S. Beckett. He will receive Budding Mathematician, Star Leader Award, and Communicator Award. Next, we have Rex Nicolabel. She will receive Star Leader Award, Artistic and
Inom dali kay inom sa tinday.
Leader of the Year.
Ngaon mi diri guys kasi Andre tuwa sa tuwa nag-award.
Matthew CRTO, Star Leader Award. He will receive Star Leader Award and Budding Mathematician. Nathan Ito. He will receive Star Leader Award and PCD Award. Next, we have Violet, Saivino, and Lily.
Kuya,
She
kuya.
will receive Star Reader Award, Eager Reader Award, and Tip Sal of the Year.
Noon sa naman niyo eh. Like, mamuto lang na to eh. Kaon na kaon.
And her mom. She will receive Collaborative Kid Award. Next, we have Patricia P. Pacquiao. She will receive Determined Kid Award.
Itlog ako ate, duhate.
Ang daw.
Ay po kasi
Kuha to eh. Nagkainom pa gay na. Nagkainom pa na.
She will receive Determined Kid Award.
Pwede na drink fountain? Gamay ra kayo te.
Ay, naku guys.
Oh, asin gamay lang.
Sukaan mo niya.
She will receive Sunshine Kids Award.
Kay init, gamay dako. Ilang dako te? Ang gamay.
Personally, Riona.
Ano lang 25?
She will receive Happy Helper Award.
Para ba kayo bugnaw? Oh, gamay lang. Dili ka bugnaw.
Maria Lindsay Robert. She will receive Happy Helper Award. Next we have Kimon. She will receive the following awards: Artistic Hands Award, Winner of the Year, and Knit Kids Award. Knit Kids Award, Winner of the Year, and BCP Award. Amara Jean Malvarosa. She will receive Star
Butog na akong bibi Butog na akong bibi lang lang.
Julia Cacao. She will receive Star Green Award, Batang Mayumulat, and Batang Maasahan Award.
Kaon sa siya, minum siya ba?
He will receive Star Winner Award, Budding Mathematician, EK Award, and Kids Scout
Wala ka.
of the Year.